Fantastic morning. I was here, Master said, I would even summer down or Bigham's where Nana pay. The Biamacas and some of the toss, so there's a fata saute near Chinakufuna, Yade Abrausa, Kijoran Casani, Erica Sidu Buena, Yabandania, and they say the stage is set. And on the 1st of June, I had a final of the UEFA Champions League, and Ampaya, not Adra, Ampaya, not Adra, Real Madrid, and of course, Borussia Dortmund. Why and na ewini and multimedia ye jin kran ne tema boso. Now, I will enkan a hits FM rep your jersey, a basso the name is Fibia Aviation Social Center, a hona a basso. And he joining Fitiano Park, we see you never have born a ewini and no Aviation Social Center. Now I know a Danchanya, our Tema Community 9, T Havana, Adom TV, Adom FM, Asampa FM, ye Bati Havana. Now, show Jesse Nebrati Havana. Fitia no Perco games a hold one in Gia Beja, who say match and Beshas against the following in Amumra. Uzuboa or saying a she, Sarah Madrid the Beji the 15th Champions League. Eti or was supportive of Rabio a Bassa fan. Show Bassa Jesse Bra na Shimumupa on the 1st of June. Or T Havana, Tema Community 9, and of course, Gia Tola. You bet my winning to form a Brinan, Bane, competitions out there. Chedi, Beche, or T Havana, and then some kids. So, Yesha, or T Havana Restaurant and Gardens. Makayu put some of them call the Conference League and the Europa League. And still unbeaten. Leverkusen are in 49 games unbeaten. And it didn't see that when Europe set him 49 games. A new record. Leverkusen 4 years after some back bed draw against AS Roma. Or the first leg in the Kanwa 4-2 on aggregate. Roma qualify for the final of a FA Europa League in a Chabi Alonso and Manchero about Jumapa ya and easy cry. Okopimo or the other game Atalanta forces Sujina Monaiso a Bogumu at just one more and Olympic de Marseille 3-0 and Kwambia almost Bogumu and they almost qualified to bear Bayer Leverkusen versus Atalanta on the 22nd of May or Dublin in Ireland. Na yanko korese games now esikwe na besiako Empire Neja on the 22nd yes say Leverkusen versus Atalanta among for say Canada say Leverkusen age Europa League no awie dada Real Madrid so age Champions League na awie dada eti ye kwakọ board the Super Cup no Leverkusen no she late Real Madrid so she late except from the first minute to the 60th minute in the main Omo Super Cup near starting 70th minute. Tia kwa omo transfer 70th minute no ma start table. Kwa omo vi ye bo ani mo ango si hwe for na go rebeba. But I say aha ti no de ekoso what? Okopimo Conference League di man Aston Villa person back. It me ebe born home watching so we Olympiacos afimu amfa and Olympiacos yi na afimu a on na qualify for the final Olympiacos versus Fiorentina on the 29th of May. It's 1st of June Champions League final. Then of course before the 1st of June, not 22nd, the Europa League about not 29th, the Conference League. Then that's how. But if I share say by Barcelona, prepare BBF for the Euros. Hold this year and club BBF for 10 times this weekend. EPL air course special emphasis, special attention on Manchester Arsenal and Manchester City. But you ever fixtures we see here Manchester City up against Fulham, and then of course Arsenal. A nice one. So with me about Gumuna, what me qualified the accord anymore. Now Arsenal also in Manchester United and a day Bunny and EPL games Barcelona and of course early kickoff for Man City, Fulham, and on the Bournemouth, Brentford, Everton, Sheffield United, Newcastle, and then Brighton, Tottenham Hotspur, Burnley, West Ham, Luton, Wolves, Crystal Palace, Northern Forest, Chelsea, and of course Manchester United, Arsenal, consider 3:30 p.m. Now, Jordan, Aston Villa versus Liverpool, and Aston Villa. Europe and fact to the last Babe Guso Harris so be qualify for Champions League next season and you know next Liverpool game no so be see akra you know La Liga Real Madrid agenda but you know the fixtures no it's here we are about wrapping up or baby aka England you be heard say how be Deportivo Alaves Girona Mallorca Las Palmas Villarreal Sevilla and after well Granada Real Madrid yeah we Yanko nimna yanko SNS for 14 Italy France near the Kobe bimu 3 bimu 2 matches near the near Clefiona yahu the Belgian league in England na mo makandi o mawi o mo de near there but the interesting thing is that Germany Bayern Munich are trophyless a man for say a Hurricane no de ne nsema akokogbo mu a je say abone duo say end on the trophy there obehye goals thing na ba trophies no en sheda ma papa bia sa na ade a ye fio ne yemra fie chane son say the Champions League final on the 1st of June ayen kan Tema no ya Adom FM, Adom TV, Asempa FM, and the Bati Havana, Tema Community 9, and the Hits FM, the Dre, and so Eba at the Aviation Social Center, Timoni Amisha, Nayan, Nika Crania, the baby, Obia, maybe Ophelia, or Hermisiano, or Faka, or Chirubiaso, Koti Havana, Obesiwo, no Johnny, Miakwaji, and Nipania, the now May 9th, Menra, Yakaka, Yamokaka. It's been 23 years in here, Nipa Bay 127 a female ceremony from Kokoso, and Yaka Nipa Fimo, Ghana football mora. Ketia Sokraku, president of the Ghana Football Association, Kopimo Jumadina say, Nensamoni Tujani.
Big lessons were learnt. The government took certain steps to ensure that we improved on service delivery when it comes to sports in this country. On the part of the FA, also, big lessons were learnt. The FA, obviously, relying on our internal governance structure, have improved a lot on our club licensing strategy, which obviously make demands on members to provide adequate security and to behave in a certain way. But there's a lot to be done. There's a need for us to continue our educational drive, educating our members on football, regulations of football, and for everybody to understand that football primarily is for entertainment. And there's always a need for us to understand that there are 3 results in the game: you win, you lose, or you draw. And that even where match officials get key decisions wrong, there are clear processes or procedure for every member to go through.
Also, Jumadira Sera, but Herbert Mensa, those days no Chairman Dema Koroko, if he said I see and about 23 years near every year, dear him, MAD, Sir Jumadi, the Kai, they see on that fateful day. Then somebody to George Jumadi Nasini.
Need to be proactive rather than reactive. The administrators of the game have also got to change and look at how they look at themselves, and then the supporters as well. It is a combined effort from all around, but certainly those who refuse to change, to learn, then things have to change. Not just going to court, because our systems can be slow, but you can fast track and have a fast track system where you know accused, the evidence is clear, there's video evidence, there's other evidence, and you find yourself within 48 hours in front of a magistrate, and maybe you need cooling off, or maybe you need a longer period. We need to change the image of the game. We really do, because we have some of the greatest athletes in the world, and yet we're underperforming in so many ways. So we really need to get together and make sure that everything is the way it should be.
Right, Herbert Mensah, somebody to draw, and no, this weekend in Swaterman, and Legon cities na de Pimso. In the MTN FA Cup semi-final, and Tikasha and Samami, MTN FA Cup semi-final, in Swatamani Legon cities, then before any dreams, Kwasida, and Memeda and Kwasida. For some time now, MTN FA Cup, and I did in Yasia, or Yana and Boma Basso say, I bring Nano, or my dear football, and I tell money as a company to bring Johnny, but MTN say FA Cup, no per se, Crabashet, fee, semi-final, and born on one venue. Sugakope Park or Sugakope Wafa Park, and I'm making it so at Teman Legon Cities, the first semi-final on Saturday, the second semi-final at Bofo, and the Dreams FC on Sunday. MTN FA Cup Empire na Eja. Entina de Biaka say Obia enye Obia. MTN and I must pass up Ribia more ma FA Cup no aye Krabeshe. Now Hits FM Rapio Jesse, Basso Aviation Social Center on the 1st of June, Real Madrid Dortmund, one a winnie, Bacan, Mayani, Intian Rapio Jesse, Dinner Monam Sacho Jesse Bra. Now, over Tema Community 9, Tia Havana, Mama hene kwabena asante gyinam afiama nkwa atamakolo gyinam abena poku ahwene gyinam akwasi nsia gyinam na na asem pofo gye gyinam obiya gyinam me gyinam we are standing inside achese obiya wa Adom TV obiya wa Adom FM obiya wa Sempe FM yin na ye ba ti Havana Tema Community 9 na be no in a grand style ye hwe match na mana ye de ba be hyase afia no pa saa de akwakodu aye anwumre no match na be hyase no ti enye ho fim be kan ho akere bebrina na be cha goodie bebrina na be di before kick off in the evening ti and on sen ensem so esi ete e be gina so na ye de see your birthday Junior Baron. Yes, Junior Baron, and your birthday, happy birthday going out to you. Yamin Sharon Tonkwan Empire, if you salty, or camera department, or Motor TV, or CM Famao, Junior Baron. God bless you. I'm saying, Sergio Manucho, Bernard Padiboche, Amo Yami producer, Sayana Wakaid, Nankasaka, Kejuano, Erica Sidi, Boadini, Yadia Pomodion, Sambeto, Fiaman Quatama Colono, Ria, Yakabeto, so Koso Hebigam.